Every time you skip the gym, scroll for just 5 minutes, or lose focus halfway through your set, it's not because you're lazy, it's because your brain's been hijacked. Dopamine, the same chemical that builds motivation, is silently killing your progress. When you chase quick hits of pleasure, you're training your brain to crave comfort instead of challenge. But here's the truth. If you can reclaim your dopamine, you can rebuild your focus, rebuild your discipline, and rebuild your body. Quick science behind why dopamine destroys focus. Dopamine isn't the enemy. It's your brain's currency of motivation. It rewards you for chasing what matters. But modern life floods you with fake rewards. Scrolls, notifications, sugar, noise. And when dopamine is constantly spiking, your baseline drops. Your brain stops responding to small wins. That's why workouts feel boring, books feel heavy, and goals feel far away. It's not your willpower that's broken. It's your reward system that's addicted. Protocol number 1. The 24-hour reset starts small. 24 hours. No social media, no junk dopamine, no empty stimulation. Move your body. Go for a walk. Let boredom hit you. Because on the other side of boredom is clarity. You'll feel your focus returning, your energy stabilizing, your workouts coming alive again. That's your brain remembering how to earn dopamine, not waste it. Protocol number 2. The reward rewire. Don't wait for motivation. Act first. The dopamine comes after you move. Do the push-up. Open the book. Take the cold shower. When you act before you feel ready, your brain learns. Effort equals pleasure. And once that connection locks in, discipline becomes automatic. You stop chasing stimulation and start chasing growth. Protocol number 3, the momentum loop. Track your progress. Even one small win per day. Each streak gives you a hit of earned dopamine. That's how confidence is built. Chemically, not emotionally. Within 2 weeks, you'll feel it. Sharper focus, higher drive, better workouts. You're no longer waiting for motivation. You've programmed it. You don't need more motivation. You need mastery. Reclaim your dopamine and your discipline follows. Comment below which protocol you'll start today and subscribe to ApexRoutine for more science-backed strategies to master your mind and body.